Making Bel Sharbat at home is easy. You only need a few simple ingredients. Get a ripe wood apple, also known as bale fruit. You will need 1 large or 2 small ones. Gather some sugar. You can use jaggery for a healthier option. Have some cold water ready for mixing. Finally, collect some ice cubes to make it extra cold. These simple ingredients are easy to find. Now you are ready to make a delicious and refreshing drink. Let's get started with the recipe. Making Bel Sharbat is easy. First, break the wood apple and scoop out the pulp. Put the pulp in a bowl and add water. Mash the pulp with your hands to remove the seeds and fiber. Strain the pulp mixture through a sieve. Press the pulp to extract all the juice. Add sugar or jaggery to the juice and stir well until it dissolves. Add more water to adjust the consistency to your liking. Bel Sharbat is not just tasty, it is also very healthy. Wood apple is known for its cooling properties. It helps to beat the summer heat and keeps you hydrated. Bel fruit is also good for digestion. It can help with constipation and other digestive problems. This refreshing drink is a natural way to stay cool and healthy during the hot summer months. Bel Sharbat is best served chilled. Pour the prepared Sharbat into glasses filled with ice cubes. For a special touch, you can garnish it with a few mint leaves. Some people like to add a pinch of roasted cumin powder for extra flavor. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for a tangy twist. Enjoy this refreshing and healthy drink on a hot summer day.